8 quick ways to make your home look cleaner and brighter today. Your home doesn't need hours of work to look amazing. I'm Marcus, and I want to show you something that changed how I think about keeping my home nice. You might believe that making your home look fresh and clean requires expensive renovations, professional help, or entire weekends spent scrubbing and organizing. But I'm here to tell you that belief is wrong. The truth is, your home can look dramatically better with just a few simple changes. These aren't big projects. These aren't expensive fixes. These are quick, easy things you can do today, right now, that will make a real difference in how your space looks and feels. So if you're looking for practical ways to brighten up your home without spending money or time you don't have, stick with me. And please, if you find these tips helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. Your home will thank you for it. Now, let me share these 8 powerful ways to transform how your home looks and feels.
Way number 1. Get your countertops and flat surfaces clear. Let's start with something that makes an enormous difference but takes just minutes. Your countertops and tables are the first thing people see when they walk into a room. They're also what you see every single day when you're at home. Clear, flat surfaces have this amazing power. They make rooms feel bigger, calmer, and yes, cleaner. When your counters are crowded with stuff, mail, glasses, dishes, random items, your brain feels stressed just looking at them. That visual noise makes your entire home feel messy, even if it's actually clean. Here's what you need to do. Look at every table, counter, and flat surface in your home. Everything sitting on top needs to belong there. If it doesn't have a purpose on that surface, it goes away. Move items into drawers, closets, or storage areas. Be honest about whether you actually use what's sitting out. That magazine from 3 months ago? Donate it. Those extra pens you don't use? Put them away or throw them out. Professional organizer David Martinez explains that removing visual clutter from flat surfaces is one of the easiest ways to change how your home feels. When you clear your counters and tables, something shifts. Your home instantly looks calmer. You feel more in control, and honestly, it makes everything easier to keep clean because you have less to dust around. This single change, clearing one counter, can make your entire room feel lighter and more peaceful. Do this today, and I guarantee you'll notice the difference. Way number 2. Remove things from your floors. Your floors tell a story, and right now, they might be telling a story about items that don't belong there. Walk through your home and really look at your floors. There are probably things sitting against walls, piled in corners, or just taking up space. Maybe it's packages you haven't opened. Maybe it's shoes, blankets, or storage items. Maybe it's things you meant to return or donate, but they're still sitting there taking up space. These items on your floors create visual chaos. They make rooms feel smaller and messier. Even if everything else is clean, items on the floor make your home feel disorganized and untidy. Professional organizer Sarah Chen notes that people often move items to the sides of rooms and forget about them. She says, "You push something aside thinking it's temporary, then months go by and it's still there. It's become part of your landscape, but it's making your space feel cluttered and chaotic." Here's the solution. Everything on your floor that isn't furniture needs to go. Pick up items and make decisions. Does this belong somewhere specific? Put it there. Do you actually use this? If not, donate it or throw it away. Is this something you're storing? Find it a proper home, a closet, shelf, or storage area. When you clear your floors, rooms instantly feel more open, more spacious, and dramatically cleaner. This is one of the most powerful changes you can make in just a few minutes. Way number 3. Turn off the clutter by removing extra decorations. We love adding things to our homes. We hang pictures, buy decorative items, place things on shelves and mantels. But here's what happens. We add and add and add, but we rarely take anything down. This creates a problem. After months or years of adding decorations, your home becomes visually cluttered without you even noticing it's happening. Those decorative items that once looked nice now feel like too much. Interior designer James Rodriguez explains the power of less being more. He says, "I work with clients who are shocked when I suggest removing some of their favorite decorative pieces. But when they do, something magical happens. The room breathes. The remaining decorations actually stand out more, and the whole space feels calmer." Look at your shelves, mantels, windowsills, and surfaces. Choose the decorative items you absolutely love. Remove the rest. This doesn't mean your home looks bare. It means your home looks intentional. The decorations you keep have room to shine. There's negative space, and negative space is beautiful. When you remove decorative clutter, rooms feel more sophisticated, more peaceful, and more spacious. This change costs nothing, takes just a few minutes, and transforms how your space feels.
Way number 4. Bring fresh life into your space with flowers. Nothing freshens up a room faster than fresh flowers. Nothing. Flowers add color, life, and brightness to any space. They immediately make rooms feel more welcoming, more cheerful, and more thoughtful. Flowers aren't just decoration, they're mood boosters. They literally make you feel better. You have 2 options for getting flowers. Buy a mixed bouquet from a store and split it into smaller arrangements. Place these smaller bouquets around your home, on your bedside table, your bathroom counter, your kitchen table, your living room shelf. Or, if you have a garden or access to flowers outside, cut some and bring them inside. The beauty of splitting one large bouquet is that you stretch your money further and you get flowers in multiple rooms. Each small arrangement brightens up different parts of your home. This is an easy, inexpensive way to add life and color throughout your space. When you add flowers to your home, something shifts. Your space feels less tired. It feels more alive. Visitors notice it immediately. They see the flowers and think, "This person takes care of their home." Flowers do that for you. If you try this tip, comment below and let me know which room got flowers first. And don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who needs these cleaning hacks. Way number 5. Let natural light do the heavy lifting. Natural light is free. It's powerful. And it's one of the best tools you have to make your home look cleaner and brighter. When sunlight streams through your windows, everything looks better. Your countertops look cleaner. Your floors shine. Your mood improves. Colors look richer. Your home just looks healthier and more vibrant. But many of us keep our curtains closed. We close them when we leave the house. We close them for privacy. We close them out of habit. And that means we're blocking out the free brightness that could transform our homes. Interior organizer Patricia Hall recommends making it a daily practice to open your curtains. Commit to opening your curtains every single day, she says. Not just when guests come over. Make it part of your routine. Open them when you wake up. Keep them open all day. Let the light in. Here's why this matters. When you open your curtains and let light flood in, you suddenly want to tidy up. You notice dust more easily. You see what needs cleaning. And that light makes your home feel fresh, bright, and alive. It's like someone flipped a switch. After you open your curtains, take a quick look at your windows themselves. Do they need cleaning? A quick spray and wipe can make them shine. Clean windows let even more light through, and they make your whole home look brighter and better maintained. This costs nothing. It takes seconds, but it transforms your space. Way number 6. Make your living room a place of calm. The living room is where we relax, where we spend time with family, where we unwind. This room deserves to feel peaceful and organized. Start by grabbing a basket or box. Now walk around your living room and pick up everything that doesn't belong there. That magazine from the bedroom, that sweater from upstairs, those dishes from breakfast, those random items that migrated into this space. All of it goes into your basket. Put each item back where it belongs. This simple action instantly transforms your living room. Suddenly, it feels cleaner, calmer, more peaceful. This is low effort, but the impact is huge. Professional organizer Michael Torres explains that items accumulate in rooms slowly. He says things drift into spaces and then become permanent. People stop noticing them, but they're creating visual stress and making the room feel cluttered. Removing them is like lifting a weight off the room. When you clear your living room this way, you're not doing a deep clean. You're just removing things that don't belong. But that simple action changes everything about how the room feels. Way number 7. Use simple tools to remove wall marks and scuffs. Your walls hold dirt and scuffs, fingerprints, marks, scuffs from furniture. Over time, these marks make your home look less well-maintained and less clean. Magic erasers, those white melamine foam tools, are inexpensive miracle workers. They remove marks, scuffs, and dirt from walls in seconds. They work on painted walls, doors, and other surfaces. It's almost like magic. Walk around your home and look at your walls. You'll probably see more marks than you realized. Using a magic eraser, gently rub away these marks. Watch as your walls go from dingy and marked to clean and bright. This takes minutes but makes a huge visible difference. Your walls are part of your home's overall appearance. When they're clean and unmarked, your entire home looks more well-maintained and cared for. Magic erasers are inexpensive, usually just a few dollars, and they last a long time. Way number 8. Make your fixtures sparkle and shine. Here's something most people overlook. Your fixtures, your faucets, mirrors, stovetop knobs, cabinet handles, and light switches. These items get fingerprints, dust, and buildup. Most people ignore them when they clean. But here's the thing. Your fixtures are what people actually touch and look at. Dirty fixtures make your home feel neglected, even if everything else is clean. Professional organizer David Kim explains the power of shiny fixtures. He says, shiny faucets and clean mirrors are like highlighter for your home. People notice them. They signal that someone cares about this space. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. Grab a microfiber cloth, spray your mirrors, faucets, and knobs with a simple glass cleaner or even just water. Buff them until they shine. This takes 2 minutes, but the sparkle and shine make your whole bathroom or kitchen look instantly cleaner and more cared for. Focus on the items people actually see and touch. Your bathroom mirror, your kitchen faucet, your stovetop knobs. These are the fixtures that make the biggest visual impact when they're clean and shiny.
Put these changes into action today. These 8 ways to brighten your home are simple. They're inexpensive. Most of them take just minutes. But together, they transform how your space looks and feels. You don't need money. You don't need a contractor. You don't need entire days of work. You need just a little time and these simple ideas. Start with 1. Pick the change that feels easiest for you. Maybe it's clearing your counters. Maybe it's removing items from the floor. Maybe it's adding fresh flowers. Do that one thing today and notice how your home changes. Then move to another. Do these changes one at a time, and in a few days, your entire home will feel brighter, cleaner, and more peaceful. If these tips helped you, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. We share cleaning and organizing hacks every week, specifically designed for people who want their homes to look great without spending hours working on them. Like this video and let me know in the comments which of these 8 changes you're going to try first. And please share this video with a friend or family member who could use these tips. Sharing helps our channel grow and helps more people discover these simple ways to make their homes look amazing. Your home deserves to look beautiful, and now you know exactly how to make it happen. Thanks for watching Seniors Cleaning Hacks with Marcus. Subscribe, like, and share.